Thanks to the gadgets in this video, you don't need to go to these extreme lengths to look good. Finding the perfect shade of lipstick can be difficult. But not with this color-changing lipstick. She does know it's called lipstick? This clever product shifts color. Pop it on your lips and watch the magic happen. It happens in a few seconds. It really stands out. And it comes in different shades. A lip-smacking 5 stars. Sometimes you want some sunshine in your life. But we can't always rely on the weather. But we can rely on the sunset lamp. The sunset lamp creates a cozy atmosphere no matter what the weather is like outside. It really helps set the mood. Use it to relax and reconnect with yourself, for reading and taking the perfect selfie. And of course, partying the night away. This lamp is a ray of sunshine in our lives. 5 stars. Does it seem like all you ever do is clean up? There's gotta be an easier way. Well, you're in luck. We have the remote mop. This little gadget cleans the floors and provides hours of entertainment. Why not get the kids to clean up? Put it on the floor and off you go. It's pretty quick and cleans in a flash. Just don't get a speeding ticket. Meanwhile, you can sit back and relax. It's spotless. The remote mop really impresses. 5 stars. Nothing like a good cup of tea. Sometimes, life gets in the way. Wow, she's really busy. Finally, now you can relax. Whoa. Remind me not to come to your house for a drink. Luckily, with this cup warmer, you'll never need to worry about cold tea or coffee again. And you can use it for different things. This quality gadget gets 5 stars. When the sun's out, you want to make the most of it. Wow, that's bright. Ah, the sweaty look is never good. Stay cool with this handy humidifier umbrella. It's multifunctional. It provides shade, and a quick press of the handle gives a refreshing misting of water. We're big fans of this umbrella. 5 stars. The Star Sky lets you spend the night under the stars, in your own bed. Turn down the lights and let it help you drift off to sleep. It's so colorful and peaceful. And it's not just for bedtime. You can use it practicing yoga. Or to help relax you while studying. The Star Sky lives up to its name. 5 stars. This isn't gonna end well. Oh, direct hit. Nice. You should do this professionally. Hey, language. This is a family show. Ditch the scissors for some modern technology. Try this electric nail clipper. It's so easy to use. And it works as a nail file. You'll have cute cuticles in no time. Looking good. This gadget nailed it. 5 stars. Online book club? Good idea. Going for a little mood lighting there? Let's brighten up your life with this SELFIE-LED light. It's a bright light, capable of lighting up the darkest spots. It's compact, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. And it has different light levels. That's better. The LED light gets an illuminating 5 stars. Walking every day is tough on your feet. They can become crusty. It's pretty gross. Get silky smooth feet with this foot mask. Cut the top from the mask, then slip it over your foot. It's so easy to use. It's like you're wearing futuristic socks. It's so convenient. You just need to wait 20 minutes and then take them off. The results are amazing. The foot mask gets 5 stars. Are you bored of your hair? If you want a new look, why not try some instant hair color? Simply brush the applicator through your hair, just like mascara. The results are instant. Why stop there? It comes in a variety of colors. Try mixing them for a vibrant look. The only limit is your creativity. Who needs fancy salons? We'll give it a hair-raising 5 stars. The automatic phone tracker is great for hands-free filming. It will follow you around the room. You can't escape, no matter how hard you try. This clever gadget detects motion and follows it. Its tracking is really effective. And it has a 360-degree range. It's convenient. And it's so easy to install. It's perfect for video calls, live streaming, or just having fun. 5 stars. Ugh, I think someone needs to go to the dentist. Let's see how long it takes to clean these teeth. It's taking too long. The automatic toothbrush means you can have sparkling teeth in no time. It does need a lot of toothpaste to help clean your teeth. Time for these teeth to be cleaned. Wow. 3 times faster. We need to be toothful and give it 4 stars. If you love being under the stars, then you'll love the BLISSLIGHTS sky. Switch it on, turn down the lights, and watch the night sky. It's so satisfying to watch. It's operated by remote control and has a number of effects and colors. It's so relaxing. The BLISSLIGHTS sky gets 5 stars. This tabletop fire pit really brings the heat. Add rubbing alcohol and light it. It's that easy. Break out the marshmallows and get toastin'. It can also be used as an indoor fireplace. It definitely creates a cozy atmosphere. This gadget gets a fiery 5 stars. That's a busy to-do list. Forget about using Post-it notes. Use this adhesive whiteboard. The Wipe Clean surface is ideal for planning out your days and weeks. It's practical, handy, and gets 5 stars. Sometimes you need to be a gymnast to shave your legs in the shower. It's tricky. You want smooth legs, but you don't want a concussion. Next time, use the shower footrest. It attaches with a suction cup, so it's simple to install. It makes it easy to rest your leg when shaving. A smooth 5 stars. Ran out of soap in the bathroom? That's okay. We have these soap sheets. They're compact and come in a handy container. Just run the sheet under water and wash. They're so handy. And you can use them anywhere. All you need to do is add water. They certainly clean up in the ratings. 5 stars. Let's be honest. Packing is the worst part of going on vacation. Make packing easier with these vacuum bags. Just place your clothing in the bag and seal it. Then pump out the air. It makes your clothes compact and easy to store. This product doesn't suck. 5 stars.